Hello, everybody, and today we are going to talk about go back and come back. So, go back is when you go back there, and come back is when you come back here. So, for example, at the moment I am living in Spain. Somebody in Spain could ask me, when are you going back to Ireland? Because it's go there, okay? Or another example could be with comeback. So I'm going to Ireland for a weekend, and somebody asked me, when are you coming back here? When are you coming back to Spain? Okay, so that's the big difference. If you think about if you are in Dublin, for example, and somebody asks you, when are you going back to your home country? Okay, so come here and go there.